How to increase baby weight during pregnancy. Getting enough food to your baby is easy. The challenge is to how to get enough nutrients. How much baby weighing will take you from the moment of conception. Your body does not produce food for use by you and baby. He needs extra nutrients for growth, so you can advise to a healthy diet with additional supplements that help baby weight gain. The first 4 months of pregnancy should be more aware of foods containing folate. Have you wondered, how do I increase baby weight during pregnancy? You're not alone. Pregnancy can be overwhelming, and this question is one of the most commonly asked questions for first-time and experienced moms-to-be. There are probably 1,000 variables to look at when trying to figure out exactly how to increase baby weight during pregnancy, and sometimes it may feel like you're in over your head. This video will outline everything you need to know and answer any questions related to how to increase baby weight during pregnancy so that you feel confident and reassured. It is possible to increase baby weight during pregnancy. Learn how you can increase your baby weight in a safe way. When you're pregnant and have a baby on the way, it can be challenging to find time to eat. It's even more difficult when you're trying to get through the boring routine of pregnancy. Adding weight to your baby is crucial to a healthy birth weight. How to ensure that your baby is on track during pregnancy. It is important to remember that not all babies develop at the same rate. A baby born that is healthy and happy, even if she weighs less than average, is just as fantastic as a baby born, though weighing a bit more than average. A growing baby means a growing mama as well, right? As a pregnant woman, one thing that we all worry about is whether or not you gain enough weight during pregnancy. It is totally natural for expecting mothers to gain weight, but how much weight is it really recommended for us to pile on? Well, spare no time, because I am about to drop some nutrition and fitness knowledge on you. When you are pregnant and make a positive body mass index, do not be anxious about the number of pounds. This weight is necessary for the process of pregnancy. Since there have been many benefits to this extra weight, such as an increased capacity of the uterine cushion, proper fat storage during pregnancy, and in general. In fact, according to pediatricians and obstetricians, it has been said that a baby can gain up to 11 ounces during the first 20 weeks of pregnancy females. There are a number of factors that contribute to an increased risk for SGA, or low birth weight, birthing. Understanding these contributors can help you manage the risk factors in your pregnancy and do everything you can to deliver a healthy, full-term baby. A healthy baby starts with a healthy pregnancy. But how do you know if your pregnancy weight is on track? Pregnancy weight gain is a controversial subject. We've all heard the recommendation to eat for 2 during pregnancy, but we've also heard that too much weight can be unhealthy for both mom and baby. So what's the deal? Here's a breakdown of how much weight you should gain, where it goes, and how to put on the right amount of baby weight without overdoing it. It is important to gain the right amount of weight during pregnancy. A woman who is underweight before she becomes pregnant should try to put on more weight than a woman who is already at a healthy weight. The table below gives you a guide of how much extra weight you should gain each trimester, 3-month period, if you were at a healthy weight before you become pregnant. First trimester, first 12 weeks, 1 kilogram, 2 pounds 3 ounces. Second trimester, 13 to 27 weeks, 5 kilograms, 11 pounds. Third trimester, 28 to 40 weeks, 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. In total, a woman who was at a healthy weight before becoming pregnant should aim to put on 16 kilograms to 20 kilograms, 35 pounds to 44 pounds. If you are overweight or obese before you become pregnant, it is recommended that you only put on 6 kilograms to 11 kilograms, 13 pounds to 24 pounds. Gaining weight is part and parcel of a healthy pregnancy. The key is to gain weight slowly, consistently, and in a way that maximizes the health of your baby. Here are 10 top tips for getting there. 1. Eat 3 meals and 2 snacks each day. Your body needs food like you need oxygen. It's that important. Rather than eating large meals which can make you feel bloated, uncomfortable, or even nauseous, eat frequent small meals instead. This will ensure that your body is receiving all the nutrients and energy required to help your baby grow. 2. Eat breakfast every day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so don't skip it. It kick-starts your metabolism and provides the energy you need to get going on those mornings when you wake up feeling tired and exhausted. Eat something within 30 minutes of rising to help avoid nausea and morning sickness. Wholemeal toast with peanut butter is one of my favorite breakfasts because it's full of protein, fiber and good fats, all essential for a healthy growing baby. 3. Include fruit in every meal. Fruit is an important part of baby's healthy growth. It is important to add fruit to your daily meals to create a healthy environment for healthy growth of your child. Some mothers have a concerning worry about their baby weight because baby's weight gain is essential for the proper development. Normally, women who have had cesarean deliveries are recommended to eat more fruits and vegetables than before the delivery. This is because having cesarean birth poses some limitations for mother's diet in a way that some nutritional elements like iron, folic acid and vitamin D may be less available due to the surgery. However, fruits play important roles in providing these needed nutrients and can speed up the growth of your little one when you include them in every meal to increase baby weight during pregnancy. 4. Eat a little more. Just how do you give birth to a baby? Well, it's actually pretty simple. A mother just needs to eat about 300 extra calories per day during her second trimester, and 500 extra calories per day during her third trimester to increase baby weight during pregnancy. Always read food labels if you're interested in eating more calories. Be sure to double check that the calorie amounts are correct. A person should exercise when they can to reduce their daily calorie intake by 5 to 10%. 5. Eat regularly. Eat something every 2 or 3 hours, rather than eating 3 big meals each day. Some people may prefer to eat 6 small meals a day instead of 3 larger ones. This can help with early pregnancy nausea and provide energy throughout the day. 6. Gain weight slowly. You should gain about 1/2 pound per week during the second trimester, and about 1 pound per week during the third trimester of pregnancy, according to the American Pregnancy Association, APA. Your doctor will be able to tell you if your weight gain is on track for a healthy pregnancy. 7. Drink fluids at mealtimes. Drinking plenty of fluids at mealtimes is a great way to help boost your baby weight during pregnancy. But don't just drink any fluid, use my tips to choose the right beverages that will keep you hydrated and aid digestion, while helping to fill those pounds. The development of a baby in the womb is made possible by Mother Nature through the process of cell division. The nutrient at the heart of this process is water. When it builds up in the body, the cells are sacrificed and broken down to produce new cells and tissues. The amount of fluid that is present in your body during pregnancy is gained by drinking fluids at mealtimes. Drinking water at mealtimes helps to synthesize nutrients, build collagen, and promote cell health. 8. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Choose foods that are rich in protein, iron and calcium. Your body absorbs iron better from animal protein than from plant products. So try to get some lean meat every day, even if it's just a couple of teaspoons of meat in a soup or stew. Choose whole grains over refined grains because they have more fiber and nutrients. Whole grains include brown rice, whole wheat bread and oatmeal. Nuts, dried fruit and seeds also contain many nutrients as well as some protein and fiber. Choose unsalted raw nuts or dry roast them yourself, as pre-roasted usually contain added salt and fat, and calories. Avoid cakes, cookies, muffins and pastries made with refined flour. They may be delicious, but they are low in nutrients and high in calories from fat. 9. Eat healthy foods. If you're pregnant, you might be worrying about if you're eating enough. You don't want to gain too much, but you also don't want to do anything that would harm your baby. The right amount of weight gain during pregnancy will ensure a healthy weight for the baby after birth, and make sure that you feel energetic and happy during your baby's first months. Your baby is now weighing about 6 ounces and has a greater surface area to volume ratio. Her or she is still looking pudgy, which means she has a lot of fat for energy and to protect organs. This extra weight is necessary for your growing baby who is living off the nutrients in your food. But since you're eating for 2 now, you have to eat even more, about 300 extra calories per day during your second trimester, and 500 extra calories per day during your third trimester, to ensure that you gain weight. If you are not gaining enough weight, talk with your healthcare provider, because nutrient-rich foods will help make sure your baby gets everything she needs to grow. 10. Include dairy products. You're a young mother, tired and weak. Your breasts are bigger than you ever think possible. You can't sleep, you can't eat, and you find every excuse to hold your little baby. Yeah, this is how every mother feels when she's pregnant. But don't worry, it doesn't hurt to have more weight of your baby on this period, because of it's good for breastfeeding later. To do that, include dairy products such as milk, yogurt, cheese and cottage as much as possible to increase your baby weight during your pregnancy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Remain healthy. See you in the next video.